Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that she wished to buy Barira in order to manumit her, but her master said, "The right of inheritance will stand with us." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam whereupon said, "You should buy her and then emancipate her, as the right of inheritance goes to him who manumits." Some meat was gifted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. The people submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. It was given to Barira as alms. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "It was charity for her and gift for us." And Barira was vested with the option. Abdul Rahman said her husband was a free man. Shoba says, "I again asked Abdul Rahman about her husband. He whereupon said, I have no knowledge about it." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3762.